Hi everybody, Mark here from Dingle Cookery School. Welcome back to our little series of videos to show you little tips and tricks. Today's trick is how to peel and how to crush some garlic. So it's something that you're going to use garlic in so many recipes. Now what I'm going to do is, whatever hand you hold your knife in, hold it like that with the knife facing away. So I'm left-handed, my blade is facing away. What I do first of all is just put it over the garlic and hit it a little tap like that. Just very quickly peel away the skin. Now one thing I always do is I take away that little piece there. Now for the rest of it, what we're going to do is we're going to take a good pinch of salt. And the salt is going to do two different jobs. The salt is going to help break it down, and the salt is also going to give it this little bit of friction. So what we're doing is placing your fingers on the knife like that. The blade is facing away, and basically just put some pressure on it. And you should, I'll just get a little bit of skin, you should hear some friction from it, like it's like sandpaper, and that's the salt doing its work. So there we go. We've now got some crushed garlic, which is brilliant if you want to put it into stews, you want to put it into your soup, or wherever you want garlic. So until next time, thank you very much.